Hi mga labis! So, as I say, another day, another vlog. So, today is my recognition day. Nervous ako dyan, mga besties. And, takot pa ako. Ba't kaya? And guys, with high honors pa ako. And to inform you guys, I am with high honors! Oh my God! Happy ako kasi with high honors ako. Oh my God. And it's my BFFs who has with honors too. And this my medals. They are 9 medals. So, ayan guys. So, every recognition day namin, lagi may intermission number. So, of course, lagi akong kasama dyan guys. Kasi, taga-dance club ako. And of course, si Sophia din. So, ayun ako guys. There, asan ba ko? there guys. And there is Sophia, RJ, and there is Asher. And that is, I don't know. You know this guys, the salamin, right? And this is what we always used to dance in our flag. Dati, the Dreamers. Lagi kami ang lead dancers, guys, sa flag dati. O Dreamers. Para kang hero dyan. Look who we are the Dreamers. So, ayan guys. Matagal pa sayaw namin dyan. Tagal pa. Sana wala ko kasi may ilaw pa. May Gangnam Style pa nga dyan eh. Hindi lang na video. So, ayun guys. Medal ko. Ayasa na yun. Ayun guys, medal ko. Ginawa ko dun. So, ayun guys. Papunta kami Pacific. Lalaro lang kami sa cellphone. Si ate. Ay, yun mukha ko guys kasi gutom na talaga ako. Yan pa guys yung iba naming ni-order. Sarap man guys, hindi ko lang alam tawag. Yan may paitlog pa. Itlog. Ayan, sabi ng mama ko, picture lang daw. Yun naman, naka-video naman. Ito si ate. Ayan. So, bye mga lovey. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.